Welcome top news today.
In an interview on CNN's State of the Union on Sunday, Bernie Sanders IVt slammed President Donald Trump for bragging about a provision in the GOP tax bill that could throw 13 million Americans off the health insurance and argued that the U.S. should instead be working toward guaranteeing health care to all Americans as a right. Instead of bragging about more Americans without health insurance, we should join every other major country on earth, guarantee health care for all people, and end the absurdity of paying twice as much per capita for health care as every other major nation, the Vermont senator said. Sanders was reacting to Trump's recent comments on the GOP tax bill's repeal of the Affordable Care Act's individual mandate. Trump claimed that the provision essentially repeals Obamacare, and insisted that he will come up with something better. The Republican Party's previous health care push, Sanders was quick to note, resulted in a bill that would have thrown more than 20 million Americans off the health insurance. Sanders' remarks came in a wide-ranging interview in which he also denounced Trump for lying about who benefits from his tax plan and said Republicans should be very worried about the 2018 electoral prospects, given the deep unpopularity of their tax legislation. What we're seeing in Alabama, what we're seeing in Virginia, New Jersey, and in states all across this country, are large voter turnouts, are people standing up and fighting back and demanding that we have a government that represents all of us, not just the 1%. The Vermont senator also denounced Congress' lack of action to protect Dreamers, calling it a moral outrage. Watch Bernie Sanders on Daca. If we do not act, you're going to have 800,000 people with no legal status who will be subject to deportation, thrown out of the only country they have ever known. This is a moral outrage. CNN SOTUHTTPSD.com/Higgs2L5 Common Dreams has been bringing the progressive community the news that matters for over 20 years. We rely on support from thousands of small contributors to keep publishing. More people are reading Common Dreams than ever before, but the number of readers contributing has remained flat. If everyone reading this gave our end-of-year campaign a tax-deductible contribution right now, we would start 2018 strong. CNN Politics at CNN Politics, December 24, 2017.